Hey, yo, Smalls, turn up on bruh.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Inga Maiya here to make it a better day. So today I will be reviewing the wig Swiss Lace Cloud 9 What Lace in the style Letitia, in the color flamboyant, whatever you want to say it, blonde. So y'all see on the card, it's giving, you know, curls. It's giving curls, you know, it's giving blondes and the browns and the curls. So right now I'm just about to show y'all how the wig looks straight out of the package. You know, it was giving like, you know, Arby fries, baby hairs, you know, real cute vibes, you know. Epidemic sees the crow breaks out from every show, cause this you never heard. It's dead, some say it's back, we need to bring it back in la-di-da-da. Music, it supplements the word and known to touch a nerve, so here's another law. Passion, the passion of the mic, the passion. Oh y'all, to me the wig was giving too much puff, so I had to hot comb and wax it down. So I try to get it as waxed down as possible, and I'm just giving y'all a little montage of what I did, and yeah. Okay, you guys, so right here, I'm getting straight into it. I'm just spraying down the cap. You know, I'm doing a little ball cap method. You know, I got to be glue. You see that one of the cats is like a dark, light skin color, more like, and then the back one is like just like light skin. So I've learned this technique. I want to say from Grandma Latte. She would like use two caps so that way when she goes to cut, you know, the perimeters off of that first cap, it doesn't like flip up in the back, because you know how it does that with like your wig caps and stuff like that. So that's what the second one is for, just to like hold your hair in place and whatever. So yeah, I'm about to just, you know, blow dry it. You know how I do. You know how the girls be doing. Blow it down, dry it down, spread it again, and do that. So I'm about to fast forward this because you know how I do that, right? I'm thinking out the beat, let the music carry, let the music carry on. So right here, I'm just cutting it, you know, making sure I'm getting all the pieces that don't have to be there. Like, y'all know what to do. Like, y'all know what to do. So here I am about to put some foundation on. Well, I am putting foundation on because those wig colors was not giving dark skin tea. It was not. So just put some foundation on to like blend it in with my actual complexion. So right here, y'all already know what I'm doing. I'm just like making sure that foundation is sealed on top of my lace. Like I want it to be sealed in. So yo, I'm just like, you know, making sure the wig is on my head right, you know, making sure I got it in the right position that I want it in, seeing how the lace is, you know, you see how the lace look better once I put all that foundation on. It was, you know, it's blending in or whatever. So I'm just making sure it's right. I'm about to go ahead and brush it too. Like I had to do some stuff this week. Like this is me putting on dry shampoo, because like the wig just was not like, it was like messing up already. Like dang girl, where's like, you know. So I went in with the dry shampoo, see if that was going to do something, and I try to give it like a little brush, and it's cute. Like the curls right here are cute, but like they don't last. Like they just don't last. And see, like that blonde part was just going with the wind. Like I was just, oh no. But I'm just trying to make sure the wig is on my head right. You know, I was singing some Summer Walker before her album dropped. I was into that Over It, you know, just getting in the mood. And then yeah, so That's all I'm doing right here. Just make sure the wig is good and, you know, spray down.
It supplements the word and known to touch a nerve, so here's another law. Passion, the passion of the mic, the passion of the nights, whatever that it be. Hold up, no need to be inside, just let the feelings ride. Come on and let's be free and just get out. Hey, hey, we can sit in now. Get out. Hey, hey, we can sit in.
So y'all, I'm still like, you know, putting it in the right position that I want it to be on my head. Just make sure it looks good and everything. So I'm going to go in with the olive oil wig spray from the brand ORS. I really love this on my hair and my hairline. It just works better than Got to Be Glue. So I'm going to go in, but I'm not going to do too much talking on this part because the girls on YouTube have shown y'all and have shown y'all. Okay? Okay.
If you could, would you please? How many LMCs are capturing the land? One hit, they do their little do, but just a day or two, but then they never land. Ringtone, the labels cashing in, they think they're gonna win from this phenomenon. I'm thinking out the beat, let the music carry me, let the music carry on.
Alright y'all, so now I'm just blow drying it. If you look closely, you can tell that like half of my ear is being shown, and that's because like with this wig I didn't find no lace to like cut right before my ear. Like, you know how you have a human hair wig, it's giving you lace to cut the ear tabs out, you know, but this wasn't giving me that, or at least I couldn't find where I should have did it at. But the fact that it was a side part and the hair was just going to be all over my ears, there was no point to even stress about my ears being shown because they weren't really shown. Again, and just making sure that's flat. And I feel like I got it flat because in the beginning, y'all, this wig was giving Puff Arby's all the way. So basically, you guys, this was the end of this like wig review, wig tutorial, whatever you want to call it. So if you guys like how I cut this wig into this length, if you guys like how I put it to the side, if you like the color, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye. So here's the finishing product of the wig.